In this video, I will show you how to draw a strip plate for this component. First, we draw the component and next the width is 20 and the length is 12. Select the sketch and choose a plane. Draw a center rectangle. The length is 20 and the width is 12. There is also two circles, dia 5 mm. Select the tab button. The thickness is 1 mm. Select flange on both sides. The flange length is 13 and angle 90°. It is outside, the material also outside, and the bend radius is 2 mm. And then select the corner breaker and select the corners. Value is 6. Okay, then select the norm and select the sketch and choose this side. Click OK. Draw a circle, dia 5 mm. Then select the normal cutout button. Choose the circle, drag, click OK. Now the common drawing is over. Then select the progressive die wizard and first choose the define intermediate stage. The pitch is 13.5. Number of station. You can add or subtract based your own idea. I can choose here 10. Next, activate the force stage and bend operation. Unbend the fourth component. Click OK. Now I am make the strip look like this. You can make your own idea. Then the I am decrease two stages. Click OK. Then activate the whole component and save it. Next, initial project. Just click OK. Select blank generator. Click on import blank part and choose a full operation part. Here I choose the Final part 4. Click OK and select the base side and click OK. Then next is blank layout. Here the pitch is 13.5 and the width is I give 50 and click OK. The next step is graph design. In this stage, you can draw all the punches, shape of the punches according to your idea. So that click on the sketch and select the face. Click OK. Here, click on project curve. Here I make a parting of punch. So project the two lines. Click OK. Select line and close it. So one punch is over. Then here I make one more punch. Close it. I want this punch also below, so mirror it. And also make one more punch here. For the two circles. Trim the unwanted area. Also mirror the punch. Select the center line. Click OK. Now we draw all the punches. Then click on the finish button. It's on PAC. Then click on apply. Now the all scraps are designed. Here I forgot to design the side cutter. So again click on sketch and select and draw it once. mirror this also. Click on finish, apply. Then select the piercing bunches, 1 2 3, apply, and also the piloting bunches. Then select the next stage, strip layout. Now we got like this one. Click on the strip layout definition, right click on the strip layout definition, click on create, click OK. Now we got a model of strip layout. Then right click on the intermediate part and open the strip layout, click OK. Then we can drag the whole scraps to their own positions according to your own idea. Just click and drag it. I can drag this one to stage 7. Here the parting of punch and the notching bunches. Two notching bunches are there. Select the notching bunches and drag it to the stage 4, not in stage. Now I did like this. We can increase or decrease this station number by just double click on here. Here I can 10, and just right click and update. The next is just right click on the strip layout definition and click on Streamlabs PAC. Just click OK. And once more right click on strip layout definition and click on remove blank material. In this stage we can change the station number to 5 and just click on OK. Now it's not ready. I want from here, so I can once more edit it and change the station from 6 to 10. You can change according to your own strip layout. Now it's okay. Just right click on the final 7 and close it. Also close the final 6, 5, 4, and the third one also. Then delete the unwanted area by delete body using delete body command. Select the sheet body, click OK. Then click on Ctrl W Here just turn off the PAM object, assembly, points, coordinate system, datum, curves, sketches, all those things, and also close the punches. Just hide it. Now we got the strip like this. It can edit according to your idea. I can just show an idea